Welcome to Jotform, how to create a multi-page form. Now we know that clients, students, or fans might get overwhelmed by filling out a long form. So in this case, we can do it in steps. Let's go ahead and open up this testing form. Let's preview this form for now. And you can see this form is one single step. Everything is in one single page. Now let's add some page breakers. Let's go to Add Form Element, scroll all the way down, and we have the page elements. We're gonna add page breakers. So for example, let's add 2 page breakers. So we're gonna add the second one right about here. And now we have 3 sections because we broke this in 2 parts. Let's go ahead and preview this now. And we have the first section, fill out their name, go next, fill out the other data, and go next. Now imagine if this was a quiz. Well, this is fantastic because you do this in steps. They don't see everything in one single page and they don't get overwhelmed. Now, if we want to remove one of these sections, where we have the button for next, we click on the element and we can delete it. In this case, now it's converted into 2 sections. Let's preview it again. And here we go. Here's the first section, next section, and now they submit. And that is how you create a multi-page form. We thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on our next tutorials.